right, boys and girls, let's get ready for math lesson 2.5. The materials you're going to need for your lesson are your worksheet, page 37, 38, a pencil, your days of the week list, months of the year list, your red and yellow counters, your counting chart in 120, and your independent practice pages, RW15 and CW15. Pause the video if you need to, get your things, and then come back to the lesson. The standard for today's lesson is the student will use addition and subtraction within 20 to solve word problems involving situations of adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, and comparing with unknowns in all positions by using objects, drawings, and writing sentences to solve the problem. Our essential question is, how do I subtract from 10? Okay, our problem of the day says use the numbers 3, 3, and 6. What addition and subtraction sentences can you write? All right. Well, if I'm going to do an addition sentence, it's going to be blank plus blank equals blank. All right. So when you add the big number, the number that's more comes last. That's going to be 6. Well, that just leaves 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. When you subtract, the number that's the most comes first. Then you just plug in your other two numbers. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 minus 3 equals 3. All right, let's read our days of the week list. Get ready. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days are in a week? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat after me. There are 7 days in a week. How many months are in a year? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 months in a year. Repeat after me. There are 12 months in a year. Let's read the list. Get ready. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right. Let's take a look at our calendar. I've already put up today's calendar piece. We can see that the month is October, and it is the 6th day of October. Okay, so what day of the week is today? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. October 6th, 2020. All right, so if today is Tuesday, what was yesterday? Monday. If yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Now, let's write the date the quick way. Now, we've done this 2 or 3 times. We counted to see what number, if we gave all the months a number, what number would October be? It would be number 10. So we put a 10 for the month and a dash, then 6 because it is the 6th day of the month, and then the last 2 digits of the year, 20. Today is October 6th, 2020. Repeat after me. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. One more time. Repeat after me. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. All right, today we're going to count to 50. Get out your 100 20 chart and let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now let's put our finger on 10 and count backwards. Get ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now today we are going to work on subtraction sentences. That's one of our vocabulary words, and difference. A subtraction sentence is what we write when we have a number and we take something away and we're left with something. This is the little form that we use when we write a subtraction sentence. And the answer that you get when you write a subtraction sentence is the difference. Okay? All right. Now, today we're going to show different ways that we can subtract, all the numbers that we can subtract from a number. So we're going to start with 5. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, what happens if we have 5 and we don't take any away? How many do we have left? If we don't take any away, what number is that? That's 0. Not any means 0. All right. If we have 5 and we don't take any away, what's our difference going to be? We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still have, whoops, I put the equal in the wrong place. 5. All right, so I'm going to write that over here. 5 minus 0 equals 5. All right, now, this time, we're going to take away 1. All right, 5 subtract 1 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our subtraction sentence now, since we're taking 1 away, is 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay? Let's make another one. All right, we still have 5. First we took away 0, and then we took away 1. How many should we take away this time? Let's take away 2. All right. Now, if we have 5 and we take away 2, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's come over here and write our sentence. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay? All All right, first we didn't take any away, then we took 1 away, and then 2. This time let's take away 3. So I'm going to mark out 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 3 equals, how many are left? 2. 1, 2. So let's come over here. 5 minus 3 equals 2. All right. Do you see a pattern? We start with the same number every time, and then we're taking away 1 more each time than we did the time before. So what's my number sentence going to be this time? First we have 5 minus 0, then 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3. What's this one going to be? 5 minus 4. And how many are left? 1. So now we can write our subtraction sentence. 5 minus 4 equals 1. All right, there's one last sentence that we can do. First we took away 0, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. How many can I take away this time? I can take away all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have 5 and you take away 5, how many are left? Now, we have written 6 subtraction sentences, and we found the difference each time. The more we take away, the less we have left. The more you take away, the smaller the difference. Okay, now we're going to practice doing the same thing with 7. We're going to start and take away from 7. All right, so we started with 0 a minute ago. 7 minus 0 is 7. Now, you could take, you could draw 7 circles, or you could use your red and yellow counters, whatever you want to do. But this is how we're going to do it. 7 minus 0 equals 7. All right, well, after we subtract 0, what's the number we're going to subtract next? 7 minus 1. All right, find your answer. 7 minus 1. You could use your fingers. 7, take away 1. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 take away 1 equals 6. All right, first we took away 0, and then we took away 1. Now we're going to take away how many? 2. Take away 2. Find your difference. Use your counters or your fingers. You can hold up 7 and take down 2. How many do you have left? The thing about using fingers, they're always going to be with you everywhere you go. You might forget to take your red and yellow counters with you somewhere, but you're always going to have your fingers. All right, first we subtracted 0, then we subtract 1, then we subtract 2. What are we going to subtract this time? Yes, 3. Find your answer. All right, next, how many are we going to subtract? We subtracted 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. We're going to subtract 4. Find your answer. All right, how many will we subtract this time? We subtracted 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. How many are we going to subtract? 5. Find your answer, your difference. Seven minus what? What should this subtraction sentence be? We're going up one number every time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find the difference. And then the last one, we'll subtract all of them. Up here we subtracted none. We subtract 0. Down here we're subtracting all. Okay? On the back side, I'm going to let you do this back side by yourself. You're going to do the same thing. You'll subtract 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. So you do that by yourself, and let's come down here. It says cross out some of the pictures and write a subtraction sentence. All right, I'm going to subtract 2. How many do I have to start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Subtract 2 equals, and then I count how many are left. Okay, I'm going to let you do this one. You first count how many stars and write it right here. Then mark out some of them. Put minus and then the number that you marked out, equals, and then count how many are left. That's your difference. Okay, for independent practice, you're going to circle the number sentence that matches the picture. Let's do this one together. First, we need to count all the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. All right, both subtraction sentences begin with 7. Well, I still don't know which one it is. Now I need to count how many are taken away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 7 subtract 4. That's this one. And it leaves 1, 2, 3. 7 subtract 4 equals 3. So you'll do those. Now, let's see. This says, complete the number sentence. There were 7 birds. Let me find the birds. 4 of them flew away. How many are left? There were how many apples? Count all the apples. And then 1 apple fell. So count how many are left. There were some squirrels. Count all the squirrels. And then count how many were running down the tree. And then count how many are left. Oh, here's some more squirrels. There's a lot of squirrels. These are the ones that are leaving, and these are not going anywhere. All right, and then the last one's about frogs. Count all the frogs. That's your first number. The next number is the number of frogs that jumped into the water. And the last number will be how many frogs are left. So today we're still practicing subtraction from 10. The numbers and the symbols that you write are the subtraction sentence, and the answer you get when you subtract is the difference. All right, boys and girls, finish your practice.